Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open the Yowie chocolate surprise eggs. There's 6 different characters, each have a name. Here's how they look before you open them. Pretty nice little artwork on them. There's all 6 of them. We'll open them one at a time, show you what we got. Here's your first one. It's Diddy. I like the artwork on it. Let's see if we can open it here. Seems to be pretty well sealed up. There's your chocolate. You can see the chocolate's in 2 pieces, and it has the egg container inside it. See if we can get the chocolate off of it here. Uh-oh. Well, we're going to eat that chocolate anyway. Let's try a piece of it right now. Hey, that's pretty good chocolate. Here's your egg container. We'll squeeze it in the middle. There's your pieces inside. This is a California tiger salamander. There he is. Spotted, black, and spots. Alright. And this one is Nap. We'll open him. There's pretty good artwork on these. I like that. And they're sealed up very good. Keep the chocolate fresh. There's your chocolate in 2 pieces. See if we can get it off. That one came off easy. Oop, that one broke up. Well, we're going to eat it anyway. There's your egg container. Squeeze it and we'll open it up. There's your pieces. Directions say this is a leatherback turtle. There it is. Nice little turtle. I like that. And there's your next one. That's Crag. Oh, I'm sorry, that's Boof. Boof. We'll open him up. Oh, broke that chocolate up too. Squeeze it, open it up. Oh, that's a funny looking little character. Crag the Mangrove Yowie. There he is, their directions. Telling about him, and there's your character. He's a funny looking little guy. This one is named Rumble. Nice artwork on him too. Let's open it up. There's your chocolate. See if we can get it open here. That one came off. That one came off pretty good too. We'll squeeze the container, open him up. There it is, American crocodile or gator. Nice little crocodile there. And here's Crag. I like that green color. Kind of looks like the character Crag, doesn't it? They'll open it up. See what we get in here. There's the chocolate. See if we can get it apart here. That came off good. That one came off good. Squeeze it. There you go. Paperwork says it is a black-footed ferret. Not a bad-looking little character there. And here's your last one, Squish. There's pink color there. Let's open him up. There he is. See if we can get the chocolate off. That came off in one piece. That one came off in one piece. Oops, it broke. Squish it. See what we get here. Paperwork says that's Squish the Fiddlewood Yowie. There he is. It actually says Squish on it, little character. Nice blue hair, bill. I like that. Well, here's all the characters we got here. We'll put them all out here for you. We have more videos coming, so please like and subscribe and stay with us. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the characters and the flavor of the chocolate. I kind of like that chocolate myself.